New Samsung 27 inches S9 5K monitor. More workspace to get more done in 5K resolution, drastically reduced light reflection with matte display. Enjoy 5K in both Windows and Mac OS with Thunderbolt 4 and DP port. Specifications are: resolution is 5120 by 2880, aspect ratio 16:9, brightness 600 CD per meter square, contrast ratio 1000:1, response time is 5 ms GTG, refresh rate maximum 60 Hz, display screen size is 27 inches flat, active display size 596.736 by 335.664 mm, aspect ratio 16:9, panel type IPS, brightness 600 CD per meter square, brightness minimum 480 CD per meter square, contrast ratio 1000:1, high dynamic range HDR 10 plus, response time 5 ms GTG, viewing angles is 178 degree H and 178 degree V, color gamut DCF 99%, sRGB coverage 100%, refresh rate maximum 60 Hz, Windows certifications Windows 10, refresh rate optimizers Super Arena Gaming UX, HDMI CEC, auto source switch and adaptive picture, multi-device experience, mobile to screen, screen initiate, mirroring screens, sound to mobile, sound mirroring, wireless on, video communication, Alexa built-in wireless DeX, screen vitals, speakers, speaker output 5 by 2 and adaptive sound plus.